Okay guys, in this part how to manage control photo with primary shortcut keys in Adobe Photoshop. Close this new project and go to click on open. You can open your new photo for editing. So in next way, go to file, click on open. For shortcut keys, Ctrl plus O. Go to desktop, select first one. So if you need to boot, select boot and click open. And now there you have the title bar. So right there you have option and right there you have menu bar. So if you need to control your image, the most important point is layer box, layer window. One image, there you have one layer. So if you need to zoom, hold Alt key on keyboard, scroll mouse. So move the cursor right there, then you can zoom here. If you move the cursor right there, zoom here. And the next, Ctrl plus space on keyboard, hold Ctrl plus space, and next by clicking mouse, zoom in and zoom out. So hold spacebar on keyboard by moving image, hold Alt key, zoom in. So if you need to know about the shortcut keys and about the commands, go to view, there you can find zoom in, zoom out. So if you need to fit on a screen, there is the shortcut key is Ctrl plus 0. Fit layer on a screen by pressing star. So guys, there you have another image. Hold Alt key, zoom in, zoom out, and there is you have another image. Sometimes you need to edit both in one screen. You must go to window, go to arrange, there you have two up vertical. Click again on window, click again on arrange, two up horizontal. So if you need to consolidate, click here, consolidate. So what about the title bar? Title bar show you the name of image, about the format, PNG portable network graphic, and about the zoom in, and about the layer 1, and the final about the color. This image is color RGB with 8-bit color. So guys, if you need to lock your layer, click on lock. You can't move, you can't control the size of this image. So if you need to unlock, just click on unlock. And now you can control image about sizes, moving. Ctrl Z, Ctrl Z. Let me lock this image and select from the toolbox brush tool. Take a look, you can't paint right there. Unlock image and now you can paint. Hold Alt key, click the color, right click, change the size of the brush cursor, and now you can create the first line, second, third, and fourth. So how to control the undo redo? Hold Ctrl plus Z, 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 Z. If you need to redo, hold Ctrl plus Shift, Z, 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 Z. So if you need to reset your image, go back to File. There the shortcut is F12. Just in one click, you can reset your changes. So if you need to know about the shortcut keys, commands, you must go to edit. There is undo and redo. So guys, let me make a lot of changes like this. I have a lot of clicks. So if you need to undo up to second line, there is you have a lot of changes. Hold Ctrl Z. Just press. It's not the true way. So if you need to in one click, you need to change. Go back to where? Go to window, go to history. There you can find just in one click, bring your changes in one click. Go back here in one click. Okay guys, don't forget Photoshop standard as will save your undo up to 50 steps. If you need to change, go back to edit, go to preferences, go to performance, and now you can change history state change up to 1000 steps. Click OK. Let's try again. Close all image without any save. Click again and now take a look here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and continue like this. There's a lot of change, maybe 60 or 70, 75. It means in one click you can jump to new, you can jump to open. In one click you can jump to here. So if you need to reset, the easy way, go to revert again. So guys, this was the most important part for workspace, primary shortcut keys, and manage your project. Thanks for watching.